Google just did something crazy. They made Veo 3 completely free for everyone, and it's already inside the YouTube app, meaning right now, you're literally holding a viral video factory in your hand, and most people have no idea it exists. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy two of the most viral niches on the internet. And when I say viral, I mean millions of views with almost zero effort. First, hydraulic press videos, random objects getting crushed, and somehow people can't stop watching. I don't know why watching a watermelon get destroyed is addictive, but here we are. These videos are everywhere. And yes, most of them are AI. Second, restoration ASMR. Rusty, disgusting objects getting cleaned into shiny perfection. It's weirdly satisfying. Like your brain just goes, thank you. No talking, no explaining. No, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, which means no language barrier. Anyone can watch anywhere in the world, and boom, views. And today, I'm going to show you how to create both of these in less than 5 minutes using only your phone. So yeah, if you've got a phone and internet, you're officially out of excuses. Let's start. Chapter 1, hydraulic press viral videos. All right, let's build your first viral video. And for this entire process, we're only using two apps, YouTube and ChatGPT. That's it. And I'm 99% sure both are already on your phone. First step, go to our WhatsApp channel, find the hydraulic press master prompt, copy it. Now open ChatGPT and paste it. This prompt is basically your idea machine. It will instantly generate 10 viral video ideas, high value, high satisfaction objects, things like crushing iPhones, stacks of cash, luxury watches, stuff people cannot ignore. Now just pick a number. Let's go with number 1. Boom. ChatGPT will now give you two things. First, an image prompt for your thumbnail. Second, a dynamic video prompt for the animation. Both are already optimized, so don't overthink it. Just copy the image prompt first. Now, go to your YouTube app. Tap the create button like you're uploading a short. Look at the top left corner. You'll see the Gemini AI icon. Tap it. This is where the magic happens. You have just discovered a new AI lab in your phone. You'll see different features inside. But first, we're find image generation. Now paste your image prompt. In seconds, it will generate 4 images. These are basically your thumbnails or first frames. Pick the best one, the most satisfying, the most clickable. Now listen carefully. Worry, this part is important. Tap the 3 dots in the top corner and click save. Save it to your phone. Do not skip this. If you don't save the image, the next step won't work. Now go back, find video generation or image to video. Either one works. Upload the image you just saved. Now switch back to ChatGPT. Copy the second prompt, the dynamic video prompt. Go back to YouTube and paste it. And this is where Veo 3 goes insane. In a few seconds, it generates a full video of the object being crushed. Slow motion, realistic physics, perfect lighting. It literally looks real. Pick the best version, download it, and just like that, you've created your first hydraulic press video. But here's the thing, one clip is not enough. If you want views, you need volume. So go back to ChatGPT, pick another number, let's say number 8. Now you get 2 new prompts again. Do the exact same process. Generate image, save it, upload it. Generate video, same steps, over and over. Do this a few times, and now you don't just have one video, you have multiple viral clips ready to post. Now imagine doing this daily. Yeah, this scales fast. Now let's move to the second niche. Chapter 2, restoration ASMR viral videos. This one might be even more addictive. We're talking about restoration ASMR. Rusty, destroyed, ugly objects, getting cleaned into perfect shiny condition, no talking, no explaining, just pure satisfaction. And the process, almost identical. First, go back to our WhatsApp channel. Find the restoration ASMR master prompt. Copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Just like before, it will generate 10 video ideas, old locks, rusted tools, industrial parts, all designed to trigger that I need to watch this feeling. Now pick a number. Let's go with idea number 1. ChatGPT gives you 2 prompts again, image prompt and video prompt. Same system. Now go back to your YouTube app, open the AI lab again, find image generation, paste your image prompt, generate your images. Pick the most satisfying one. You want extreme rust, lots of texture, something that looks beyond repair. Now, same as before, tap the 3 dots, save the image. Now go back, open video generation or image to video. Upload your saved image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the dynamic video prompt, paste it in, and now watch this. The AI will simulate the cleaning process. Spray hits the surface, foam builds up, rust starts dissolving, and slowly it reveals a clean, shiny metal finish. And that's exactly why it works. Download your clip. And just like that, you've got your first restoration video. But again, one is not enough. Go back to ChatGPT, pick another number. Let's say number 4. Same process again. New prompts, generate image, save it, animate it. Now you've got multiple clips ready to post. And just like that, you now have 2 viral niches fully automated using only your phone. Now quick backup plan. If for any reason the YouTube generator doesn't work, just go to Google, search Google Flow, open the website, click Create with Flow, start a new project, upload your image, set it to video, choose your ratio, pick the number of clips, and generate. At the end, you'll get something like this. And yeah, it's actually really cool. And that's it. You now know how to create viral videos in 2 of the hottest niches right now, using nothing but your phone. No excuses. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll keep bringing you more tutorials like this. And comment below another viral niche you want me to break down next. See you in the next one.